Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to use the folder level tools within DynamicAIM. Firstly, let's use the Upload Document tool at building level to upload a PDF drawing. We've given our new folder a name, and by choosing the Select Files button we can search and choose the PDF drawing to upload. Once the upload is complete, choose the Refresh Folders button and we'll see the new CAD Drawing Files folder. If we now choose a Rename Folder tool, we can easily rename the folder to be called CAD Files, and to commit the change, press the Save button. If we now choose the Folder Refresh button, we can see that the name of our folder has been changed. Next, within our CAD Files folder, on the right hand side, let's choose the Add Subfolder button. A new document upload window appears, where we can firstly name the new folder, such as Floor Level. If we press Validate, we can then choose to select a file to upload into that folder. In this case, let's find a PDF file related to this floor level. Find the file and press Open. Once the upload is successful, choose a Refresh button, and now in our CAD folder we can see there is a subfolder with a document in it. At subfolder level, let's now use the Upload Files button. In the Document Upload window, there's no need to create a new subfolder, just choose Select Files and select the second PDF. Once the upload is successful, choose a Refresh button, and in the subfolder we can see there are now two documents. The next folder level tool we will use is the Document Download button. This allows us to either tick and select one or multiple files to download, or use the buttons on the right hand side to download just one file. Once the document is downloaded, it'll be available as a zip file on your PC. The next folder level tool we'll use from the right hand side is the Add Hyperlink button. Once activated, in the Hyperlink window, simply give the hyperlink a name and then copy in the URL for the required hyperlink. In this example, it's a plant room walkthrough. Having added the hyperlink, choose a Refresh button, and in the subfolder we can now see there's a third file. Clicking the dynamic view will render the hyperlink into DynamicAIM, allowing the user to manually navigate through the 360 scene, clicking the buttons to move forward, backwards, and navigating side to side. Finally, if you wish to remove all subfolders, files and hyperlinks, then at folder level simply choose the Delete Folder tool. We now choose the Refresh Folder button, we can see that our folder and files within DynamicAIM have been deleted.